Let's learn more about academics here at DelVal. Please meet Kai. Kai's a freshman studying biology, and he's going to tell us what it's like to be a student at DelVal and the many academic choices they have here. Kai, the floor is all yours.
Thank you, Alex. Hi, everyone. Delaware Valley is definitely unlike any university I noticed when picking a place to settle for the next 4 years of my life. With many different opportunities offered to students both athletically and academically, I feel DelVal is a great place to choose if you want to be challenged in both of those categories. All my life, my mother pushed me academically, and my father pushed me athletically. Growing up, I learned what a student athlete truly was because in my eyes, they're both connected through my parents' teachings. In high school, I adapted having small class sizes and teachers getting to know me as a person more than just a student. Well, here at DelVal, that's what you are to professors. Not just a student, but a person. With small class sizes and a student-to-faculty ratio of 13:1, small class sizes can really help a student thrive. This allows students to gain more individual help and gain knowledge in their field of study. For me, I always struggle with lecture-based learning because I have a hard time keeping still and focusing during class. DelVal offers hands-on learning, which is embedded into every curriculum, so students like me can get a better understanding and learn what is taught. As a student of this school, you will never just be in a lecture hall, but actually out in the field in which you choose to study. For me as a bio major, I take 2 labs a week, 1 chem and 1 bio, where I get hands-on experience learning techniques practiced in class. This allows my mind to understand concepts I struggle with in class and gives me a visual understanding of the materials I learned. One question I always ask myself when thinking about college is, what am I going to be, or what will my career path be? Well, DelVal actually helped me answer that question before choosing biology as my major. With over 25 undergraduate degrees ranging from sciences to business or humanities to liberal arts, there is definitely a degree for everyone. Another unique aspect the university offers to students is the ability to create your own customizable degree programs. Delaware Valley University pushes its students towards academic success while also offering resources to help each student reach their own individual goals. These resources range from guided tutoring sessions to E360 to study abroad programs, and the list goes on and on. If you're a student that wishes to be challenged academically and have the ability to play sports, then DelVal is a college for you. I'm Kai, a bio major and a football player, and I'll be seeing you around. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Kai. The small classes and faculty advising sound like a great learning environment. And it sounds like there are lots of ways to follow your passion here at DelVal. Great job. Thank you for talking to us today. Cheers.